Learning to trade is a financial game changer. And if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader, even if you are new to trading, tune all the way in to this episode. Listen, it is possible to become a profitable trader. Don't you dare listen to people who tell you you can't and it's too hard, because you certainly can, and it is not too hard. Now, one of the biggest keys to being a profitable trader is knowing yourself. And by that, I mean knowing what it takes for you to succeed in general, knowing how you learn and knowing how you are emotionally wired. Knowing yourself intimately may not seem like a key element to trading, but it is. It's actually an essential element to becoming a profitable trader. But another significant part of becoming a profitable trader, and I keep saying profitable because you can trade all day long, but if you are not making money, you are not profitable. So another key to being a profitable trader is being willing to make an investment in yourself. And so today I'm sharing with you the investment I made in myself that helped me become a profitable trader. Listen, people are always asking me, how did I get into trading and what made me start trading? And today I'm sharing the how, and I'm sharing everything else in between. I'm sharing how I learned to earn $1,000 in a day and $10,000 in a day trading options. And I did a whole video on this, so if you want to go check that out, please do. But today I'm sharing with you the investment, the overall investment I made in myself to become profitable with trading. But first, if you are new here, I am Vanetta, and you are watching Faith, Love, and Trading, where I talk about the intersections of financial prosperity and personal growth, especially as it relates to trading. You see, trading is 10% technical, but it is 90% psychological, which means securing the bag is directly related to how secure you are mentally and emotionally. So if you are interested in growing your net worth and your self-worth, you found the right channel. Because here I talk about how your psychology and how your psyche and your mindset are the real secret sauce to financial freedom and personal growth. So hit the subscribe button and let's stay connected. Now, let's get into the investment I made to become a profitable trader. And the first investment I made was purchasing a program called Trade and Travel. Now, they did not pay me one dime to do this video. I am not even an affiliate with them. I don't have an affiliate program. I am sharing this because subscribers are always asking me, how did I learn to trade? And I believe in this program 1000%. So I'm sharing how I learned to trade with you. Trade and Travel is a program that has taught thousands of everyday people like myself trade stocks for income. And hands down, this program is the reason I know how to trade successfully. And I say successfully because prior to finding Trade and Travel, I tried to learn to trade Forex, but I was not successful. The strategy that I was taught to trade Forex was just too complicated for me, and I was never able to succeed trading Forex. But I knew in my heart that trading was something that I could learn to do and master. So I just didn't give up. And one day I saw an interview with Terry Ijeoma, who created Trade and Travel. She was talking about trading stocks for income and how she was teaching thousands of everyday people to trade. So I started following her on all social media, started listening to her YouTube channel and listening to a few of her webinars, and I was sold and I purchased the program. Now, I purchased the Trade and Travel program in December of 2022. That was last year. And by March of 2023, I had learned to read stock charts, pick good stock companies to invest in. I learned to buy and sell stock, trade options, do vertical spreads, trade gaps and glowbacks, and do proper risk management. I learned all of this in 4 short months. Now, I don't want to make it seem like learning to trade is easy, because learning to trade is not. I had to put the work in, and I devoted time and focus to learning the program. I approached it like it was a full-time job, and I devoted my focus to learning the program, and I have these 2 awards that prove that the program really does work if you apply it. These awards are also one of the reasons I love Trade and Travel. Trade and Travel rewards their students' learning, and they incentivize your learning by allowing students to join these 2 prestigious groups when you learn to master earning $1,000 and $10,000 in a day. And if I can earn these 2 awards in 4 months without any finance background, little to no experience, you can too. Now, Trade and Travel has a significant cost factor. It is not a cheap program, but let me say, I would pay the price all over again. It was worth every penny because what I learned with Trade and Travel are financial skills that I will have for life. Now, let's dig into these numbers because people don't like to say what they spent on a certain program, but I'm going to keep it all the way real. When I purchased Trade and Travel in December of 2022, the program was $5,000. The program is now $10,000. And yes, a lot of people say that that's a lot. But I know women, self-included, who have a closet full of handbags at that price point. And some men who spend that on watches. But hear me when I say learning to trade is an investment unlike a handbag or watch. And let me say that the money you spend on this program, if you put in the work to learn the program, you will get it back tenfold and more. So I'm going to share the 4 top reasons I credit the Trade and Travel program with my success as a profitable trader. And again, they are not paying me to make this video. I can't stress that enough. I am not getting 1 penny or any kickbacks from doing this video. I'm just sharing from my heart. Now, the first reason I invested in the Trade and Travel program was because of the trust factor. Listen, there are a lot of people who will say that they will teach you how to trade, but y'all, there are a lot of scammers out there. And so when you are making this kind of an investment, you want to trust that the company, the teacher, or the mentor you choose can deliver. And one of the things that helped me choose Trade and Travel was that the creator of the program, Terry Ijeoma, is a Black woman and a woman of faith. And I could tell from her interviews and from the webinar that she not only knew her stuff when it came to the stock market and trading, etc., but I got the sense that she felt that teaching people to trade was more of a divine calling and a divine purpose for her. This helped me with the trust factor because if you're doing it for God and if you see teaching as a divine calling, you are likely not out here trying to scam people. Not only that, but I sense watching her interviews that her reason for teaching had undertones of doing it for the culture. And that was another selling point for me. Now, this doesn't mean that other cultures and ethnic groups aren't a part of the program. They certainly are. But you can just tell that part of Terry's mission is to empower people of color with financial education to grow wealth. And I just simply love that. So one of the reasons I invested in this program was because it was a trusted program with a proven record of teaching everyday people how to earn money in the stock market. Now, the second reason I invested in the Trade and Travel program was because of the simple and easy strategy that they teach. The Trade and Travel trading strategy is an easy strategy to follow. And trust me on that because I've tried other strategies that were just too complicated. Trade and Travel makes learning to trade easy. And I say that with a grain of salt, but trust me, it's easier than a lot of other programs out there. Even if you are completely new to trading, you can learn this strategy. So if you are willing to put in the work and study, you will become a profitable trader. In my personal opinion, the only way you won't be successful is if you don't put in the work. Listen, trading is not something you can learn without a full commitment. trading is not easy money. You can't dibble and dabble with trading and expect to be successful. But with a simple, easy program like Trade and Travel, and with an investment of your time, you can learn a lifelong valuable skill that will position you to create wealth, even generational wealth. So again, if you are looking for a program that will show you a simple yet effective way to earn money in the stock market, Trade and Travel is the program for you. Now, the third reason I invested in Trade and Travel is that it is a comprehensive program. With Trade and Travel, you end up with several trading tools in your toolbox. You will learn to buy and sell stock, meaning you can earn money when the market is going up and down. You also learn options trading, how to read and understand options contracts, how to do vertical spreads and iron condors, and everything related to options. You also learn to trade gaps and Globex. On top of all of these tools, you also get trading psychology, and y'all know how huge I am on trading psychology. Built into the program, there are trading psychology Zoom calls that will help you manage your emotions and dig into the mental aspect of trading, which is huge because, like I always say, trading is 10% technical, but it is 90% psychological. And not only do you get a comprehensive program that basically teaches you all of the different tools you can use to earn money in the market, you also get lifetime access to the program. So if you need a refresher, you just dive right back in. So again, I invested in Trade and Travel because it is a comprehensive program. Now, the fourth and final reason I invested in Trade and Travel is because of how they teach risk management. Listen, any experienced trader will tell you that without good risk management, you will not be successful in trading. Teaching you how to manage your losses will help you become a profitable trader, hands down. You see, the truth is you will lose in trading without a doubt. So don't go into trading thinking you're going to win every trade, because you won't. Not even with the best strategy can you do that. But with proper risk management, how much you win in comparison to how much you lose will be far greater, and this will make you a profitable trader, which is the goal. So I made the investment in Trade and Travel because managing risk is a big part of their strategy. Now, overall, I wanted to learn to trade because I saw it and I still see it as an investment in myself. And I am worth that investment, and I believe you are too. Listen, like I said earlier, trading is a financial game changer, but you have to make sure you learn the game from those who have proven their success. And I stand by the Trade and Travel program because they took an average person like myself who knew little to nothing about trading and turned her into a successful retail trader. And a retail trader is just someone who trades with their own money, who is not considered a professional. So if you are willing to make an investment in yourself, an investment with your time and your money, you can become a profitable trader. You can create generational wealth because it is a skill you can pass down to your children and their children. So I highly recommend you becoming a trader, but be serious about it because it is not something you can dibble and dabble with. You have to go all in with your money, with your mental, with your mindset, with your emotions, and with your time and commitment. Now, I hope this video was helpful, so let me know in the comments if it was. More specifically, let me know if you are a trader or if you are looking to start. I want to hear all about where you are on this journey, so leave me a comment below. I will also leave a link to the Trade and Travel website if you are interested in it. Again, I'm not getting a dime, so don't worry about that. This is just me sharing how I learned to trade. So I will leave the link below, and I believe they are having a sale right now during the holiday season, so you may want to check it out. Now, do me one last favor. Share this video and this channel with someone who might need this kind of support. And thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you next time on Faith, Love, and Trading.